Hello, this is Keegan McCormick's science project. So, science class BC. In this, we follow the adventures of Betty the cow being consumed by the Homo sapiens sapien known as Keegan. First, he goes through the mouth. She goes through the mouth, then the esophagus, then the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and then rectum, and then anus. So, yes, let us start. Hello, I am Betty the cow, about to be consumed by the Homo sapiens sapien known as Keegan. So let's jump right in. I have to write some commands all out. In the mouth, we can see saliva, teeth, and tongue are currently working together to turn me into a mushy ball known as bolus. The tongue and teeth work together to break down the physical body of me, the food, and the saliva contains enzymes that break down starches, carbohydrates, and fats, and turns them into sugars that are easier to digest in the human body. Continuing on, you can see I'm currently being swallowed and going down the esophagus. The esophagus' main job is to move bolus down from the mouth to the stomach using muscle contraction known as paralysis. Peristalsis. Peristalsis is a method where the muscles contract and relax, pushing the bolus down the esophagus. Exiting the esophagus, we fall into this muscular sac known as the stomach. The stomach's main job is to turn from clumpy bolus into a thin, watery liquid called chyme. The stomach also contains gastric juices and stomach acids that chemically break down the food. And the gastric juices split up protein and kill bacteria. As you can see to our right, we see the liver and gallbladder. The liver creates bile, a liquid that is released to the small intestine, and the gallbladder stores the bile. And below us, we can see the pancreas, which regulates blood pressure by making enzymes and insulin. We're currently being attacked by stomach acid. Moving on to the thin but very long tube called the small intestine. The small intestine absorbs nutrients, and I have to write another command. Give me 1 second. The small intestine absorbs the nutrients from the food and puts it into the bloodstream. It does these small noodle-like things that line the small intestine, called villi. The small intestine also releases bile, this red liquid, and pancreatic juices, this watery liquid, the water, but that help aid in digestion. Next, we have the large. Next, we have the large intestine. The large intestine's main job is to absorb the extra liquids from the chyme and turn into a thicker solid liquid known as feces. Fun fact, the food can stay into the large intestine for up to 3 days. The last part of our journey through the digestive tract is the rectum and anus. The rectum controls the release of solid waste, and the anus releases it. And we gracefully fall into the toilet. And yes, thank you for watching.